here we go. So, tip number one, you can always use Streamlabs. You can also use streamelements. You can also use BotRigs, but I'm going to show you how to add it actually on Streamlabs and also on BotRigs. So, first you want to go to your widgets. That's where you have to go. Scroll all the way through Sparkle, which I actually did cover that in the last video. Let's see. Okay, so here you go, sub goal right here. So you have to click on that. And then you can just name it sub goal. Just put the amount that you achieve. I am trying to reach 8 subscribers. Right now we're at 702 right now. Last time I checked. And then you can put the month if you want it, when you want it. I would recommend usually completing end of your goal probably by the end of this month. So I'll put like 31st, yeah. Then just like that. Sure. Oh, I see. Want to do it. So yeah, I would put that, start your goal, and then first you want to copy and paste this. Copy and paste it. Then you want to go to your browser, sub goal, that. Just gonna copy and paste the key just like that, and just turn on shutdown sources, everything. There you go. There is your sub goal. There you go. And also, guys, I will also show you how to do it actually on BotRigs, which is what I currently use to multi-stream to Twitch and YouTube, other platforms. So, you're on BotRigs. Make sure you are logged in to your YouTube account on BotRigs. Same with Streamlabs as well. Make sure you are logged in to your YouTube account. Or have created a YouTube. But want to go to widgets. Well, here is goal for subscribers, and go with different designs like clean radius, sharp. So yeah, there you go. And then first, just color it. You can color it as you want, but I'm just going to keep it as default. Subscribers. So just going to copy and paste this. Create another browser source. Call this sub goal 2. Just have to copy and paste it. There you go. Just can line it wherever you want it. I usually have it lined up right next to my webcam all the time, but there you go. That's how you guys how to add a sub goal to OBS. Let me know if I did a really good job of walking through this tutorial. If I did a good job, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe to the channel for more content creation tutorials just like this. And I hope this definitely helps you out of adding a sub goal. You can also check out the other video down below for how to add a follower goal for Twitch as well. So I hope this video definitely helps you out. If it did, drop a like, subscribe. Once again, like I said, drop a comment down below if this video was really helpful. And this is All Things Noah here. I will see you guys in the next one.